All right, Mr. Loxton is back. What we got here is a mountain bike, obviously, with 123cc two-stroke snowblower engine. Yeah, boy! 5 horsepower. I cut off the original bracket, used it as my mounting brackets. I put that one on backwards. It was supposed to face the other way. No big deal. I might fix that eventually. Another bracket. And there should be one right down there. Alright, my stand don't work the greatest. So what we got here today is my jack shaft that I made. What I actually got to do is first put this on here. I twist that up in there. I brought some pliers down to fix that. But what I did is the snowblower shaft originally, I cut it down here, cut all the extra parts off of it, cut off my pedals, as you can tell. And so this part will still hook up just as normal. And it will go in there like so and spin my motor. Alright, so we're going to assemble it. It's just beauty about these things is they screw on, screw off. So as I accelerate, it will tighten. I'm not exactly how straight that rod is. Take all my extra little bearings off. But I'm definitely hoping it's enough. Let's see if I can turn my flash on. Oh, look at that. While it's recording. That's cool. I didn't know I could do that. So we get a closer idea here. This is not, there we go. So yeah. They ground it all off here. Still use a bearing cap. That rust, the weld's already rusty. It just got welded. It's already rusty. So all we do is we slide it in and we bolt it up. So let's get to work. This is only a mock. I usually have high-speed blue lithium grease to put these together. So you'll see it's about as easy as peasy. Still got all the same parts here. All right. And that's my bearing cover and my bearings. Either way, they go on. Like I said, I will be cleaning this up when I do a final build. Yeah, pop that in there. Throw this one on. So far, so good. And then I put this on. Spend a minute since I put together a bike. Oh, wait, wrong. Try that again, Rob. Duh. Mr. Loxton. All right, since it's pedaling, lefty loosey, righty tighty goes with the same concept. At least I think it does. Nope, the other direction. Dang, can you see that in the video? That shit is straighter than an arrow. I feel like I'm missing a bolt. I feel like there should be 2 of these on here. No. I still feel like there's 2 of those on there. And that is my dust cover. Did that go on right? Doesn't feel like it. Maybe. Pliers. Pliers. Nope, that's the wrong way. right? So just for now, that will work until I get the lock nut. Not sure where that's going to go, but I'll put my little pulleys on, my extra washers on there so I don't lose them. Straight. Let's get a good look at this. See how straight this looks. So how well I can hold it as I do that. I'm a little shaky, but so this motor will spin this, which will in turn spin that sprocket, driving my gear, which I'm going to have a bigger gear on that as well. So that's that. All came from one of these little snowblower deals. So I'm going to have to take this one apart and maybe steal the pulley wheel. That's what it's called, a pulley wheel. So, Bob, welcome to the monster bike. Let's see how it looks from the downside. It's looking pretty good. So up here, clutch, back brake, I think. Nope, that's gonna be my clutch and front brake, so I can do most of my stopping at the same time. Rear brake. This actually becomes my throttle, which is awesome because I end up with ratchet throttle. This will be my main gear here to adjust that so I can actually have my cruising speeds. And this is my other gear here to switch between my 5 and the back, which ends up being 4 because I lose a gear due to spacing and what I got to weld on. In due time, I will get suspension on the front. Keep it hardtail. And yes, I know this is going to work. If you check some of my other videos, you'll see one I already made. Cruising along. Doesn't look the best, but that's after this old motor came off of it. Needs a little bit of work. Well, till next time, the Mr. Loxton signing out, boy. Like and share my videos and keep checking back for all kinds of random things. I'm in the process of doing other things like my guitar videos. I still got to finish these up. I'll be waiting to post that video on those. There's a better look at one. Oh my gosh. I got to put like 3-4 more coats of poly on there. That's flame yellow birch. Looking good, but to the point. The mountain monster. Get it.